And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. You can find us on the YouTube channel, actually.
That's really where they're going to see us.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So today we're going to talk about the to-goes. The to-goes are a quick meal option. Let's show you the three. And Kathy's going to get started with the fajita.
Fajitas, because it's one of my kids' favorites. I use it all the time. So we're going to show you how these work. Now, first of all, they're great to just throw into lunch boxes, which is super easy, and throw into your purse. So you just tear the tab on the top. You just tear it just like this, if I tear it right. And then I just open it up, and you can see inside all of the vegetables. And I want to make sure I take out the little oxygen absorber that's in there. Then I add, I don't even know how much, but let's wing. We'll just dump a little bit of hot water. I think it's usually about 3/4 of a cup. That feels about good to me. And then I just zip it up and then just start making sure everything gets refreshed. And
so
then,
it's nice and warm. So on a cold day, it's a mitt warmer.
it can be.
That's right. Okay, so we do have the fajita, which Kathy just made, but we also have a couple other options. And we're hoping that they just come out with more because these are great, aren't they? So one is the chicken salad. The chicken salad is a nice option because you do the same thing, but you can pour cold water in there, shake it up, and you've got it for a lunch at work. You can throw it on crackers, you can throw it on rice, or whatever. You can just eat it like that and throw it on a salad if you want.
And it has celery, chicken, onions. That's it. And they actually come with a little mayonnaise packet with the package, and then you could just mix it right up anywhere you are.
So this is a nice option just to throw in your bag and away you go. The next one is the island style pork. This island style pork is great. You can do it with the hot water or the cold water, it doesn't matter. And then once it's refreshed, same method, same practice, you can throw it on rice or on a bun with some cheese and there you go. You've got this great quick meal and it's all heartiness. It's all good food and you're not eating like a granola bar that has no goodness to it.
I actually just had this the other day, and the sweetness of the pineapple with the pork is really good, and you could throw that into a bun. If you're going to eat just this because you're watching your carbs and you don't want the extra stuff, then you might want 2 pouches. But if you're having something on the side like bread or a wrap with this, then I find one plenty for me.
I found the one plenty too. We just ate these the other day. Actually, they were great.
So I'm going to show you, it was only a couple of minutes. If it's not completely refreshed, your chicken might be a little crunchy. Just leave it a little longer. So, as you could see in the bag, I'm just gonna show, and then I'm gonna dump this out so we can see what that looks like. I'm just gonna scoop it all.
You can really smell it.
Yeah, it's really good. And you can see, yeah, there you go. There's your chicken fajitas, and you could take that and put it into a wrap. I like just having it with some taco chips right in there, and you just scoop it up and eat it. So it's really very easy.
Did you want to try it? All right, I'll try it.
Or scoop it right out of the bag. That's delicious.
Just make sure you leave it a little bit longer so your chicken is completely hydrated.
Is that not refreshed enough?
Not bad.
Mine was. It's good. And it's got the grilled chicken pieces. Like you could see right here, I'll just show you a piece of the chicken. This is real chicken. It's delicious and super easy. So
you can just eat it anytime. You can eat it for dinner, you can eat it for lunch, pack it in your kids' lunches. It's absolutely amazing. And they're very economical too.
Well, they're about $3 a bag. What I like is that I hated when I'd give my kids food for their lunches and then they would forget their lunches in their backpack and it would get all moldy and gross and I was like gagging as I was cleaning out the container. Here, I don't have to worry about that. They will finish it every time, and if they don't, I just throw the bag away, no cleaning required.
It's great products. So
remember to
share,
like, and follow.